Hello everyone, my name is Abdurrahim. I am an engineer at Vilicom UK Ltd, a company in the UK, and now I'm presenting for you the VilicomNetTracker application that we developed in order to monitor the performance of our private network whenever it needs. So as you can see from the main dashboard, from the home dashboard, you have four sections. So the first section will give you some information about the SIM card, the network, the cell type, the cell type and the cell name, cell ID that is providing service for this mobile phone. Second one will provide a performance metric indicators to show you how the network is behaving. So you can have some information about what's going on in the network and how the network is performing. The third one will provide geographical information like the latitude and longitude and other information. In addition to lately in the last section, you can see a table where you can see all the neighbor cells that is also available to provide service for this mobile for this SIM card. You can see on the other tab for the speed test, we can do a speed test to test the speed of the internet that is provided from the service right now. So you can select one of these two servers and then you can start the service or test service where you can test the ping, the jitter and the download and the upload. This is additional service we provide in order if you think that there is a problem in the network, you can just click on this one and then you can have the speed test. So as you can see from the top, there are two buttons. So the first one on the left, which is similar to a SIM card, when you click on it, you will see a change SIM. So if you have a mobile phone that contains two SIM cards, you can also monitor the second SIM. And the home page or dashboard will show you the information from the second SIM. But hence we have only one SIM in this mobile phone, so nothing changed actually. So on the right also there is another button which is the candy menu. If you click on it, you will have more information. So I will start from the options. If you click on the options, you can see there is a logging data where you can control to turn off or turn on the logging operation, where you can store the data that is visually on the dashboard, store it in a files on your mobile phone. And also once you turn off this one, we will turn off immediately the synchronization between this mobile phone and our servers. So we don't have any access for these files. We don't know. We don't store the files, and we have no access for these files as well on the cloud. So this service, as I want to mention again, that this one is built to monitor when you have any bad performance in our network, so we can have a look what's going on on your side anonymously without knowing any other information or any identical information from your side, just only the data from the cell side, some kind of other information for the performance metric as well. So you can turn it on or turn it off. So we have also another option here, it's run on startup. If you want to keep this application running for, let's say, until you manually turn it off, so you can click on this one, turn it on. The period in second, which is the time we take a snapshot from the network. So each 2 seconds we take a snapshot, so for what's going on, and store it in a file. And there is the files that is stored in your mobile phone. As you can see, keep files for days, we keep the files for 2 days, so you can change it up to 10 days I think. And this is for the options. So going back, as you can see, other files, so there is a file manager. As you can see, you can see all the files that is being logged into your mobile phone. You can share it, delete it, or even you can open it. You can control anything, any of these files on the mobile phone. So the third thing is the privacy policy. As you can see, you can open the privacy policy and you can see all the privacy information, and you can read it. There is also more detailed information about the term and conditions, so you can also check them all. And there is the information of the CSV files that we is sync with our server. So just to know what's inside each column that we sync with our servers. And I would just repeat again that we use these servers, this information, just to track what's going on with your coverage area with your mobile phone when you are using our services. So yeah, going back to the application. So we have also the about us, where you can have another information, contact information if you have any questions or queries. Also we replicated the privacy policy as well in this place, so if you want to copy it. And we have also lately the exit button. If you click on it, you'll see three options. One of them is do you want to make this one work in the background or not. So if you click minimize, it will just minimize it and will stay functioning or operating, and you can track this from this permanent notification. So it will just keep on while the application is on. And there is another option which is no and yes. So if you click no, you will stay back in the application, so you just can go out of application like this. And if you want to close this application permanently, so you just click and yes, and then you will close the application permanently. So yeah, this is all about this mobile application. If you have any questions or inquiry, please don't hesitate to email us or to ask for anything you want. Thank you very much.